Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels of an Epson XP-322. Now this is nice and simple, can be done from the printer itself, using nothing but the small control panel you can see here. So from the home screen of the printer, we're going to move ourselves along using the arrow buttons until setup comes up. Once we're there, press OK to go in. And ink levels is the very first option, so we press OK to go into that. And here we've got a visual representation of black, magenta, yellow, cyan, and how much ink your printer thinks it has in each cartridge. From here, you can just press down and replace any ink cartridges that you need to. But if you're looking at these estimated ink levels due to a print quality problem you're experiencing, it's actually unlikely to be the cartridges themselves that are causing it. If you're noticing one or more colors isn't coming through on your printer, I'd recommend doing some cleaning cycles, which we also have a video for on our channel, and a nozzle check if you'd like to clarify exactly which colour is causing you a problem. Again, there's a video for that on our channel if you're interested. Now thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know about this printer, let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.